Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss how can show all category WooCommerce category in Next.js. So at here we have one section show by category, and at here it is showing only four category at here. And in the code, if you see code sub by category, then only four category at here, and it's so map. So we just dynamic it. So let's get started. And if you still not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and it help indirectly to me. So in the first step, I just make function async function for get category, and at here I just make function, and at here I fetch data, and you can see documentation of WooCommerce at here, and they provide category etc, and we can pass many parameter, context, page, per page, search etc, exclude, include, all thing. So now also header part, in header part we must use authorization etc. So if we access this data, then it is not accessible to all, so we must provide authorization. And in the environment file I define consumer key and consumer secret, and I already explained you in the my video how to show WooCommerce product by slug, or also how to show WooCommerce product in Next.js. So you can watch this video, and you can get how can create consumer key, consumer secret etc, or how can use that. And in the next, it is very important concept of Next.js, I change some title or image etc, then it will revalidate after some time. Like at here I pass 3600 second, so it will revalidate again for that API, otherwise it will not hit that API. So it is very good concept of ISR. And if not response okay, then it will give error, otherwise it will give JSON. Now we will pass call this function inside our homepage function. So for that I just call it inside our homepage function. So if we add some await, then we should use async there, and then like at here async is there, and now I will use dynamic this type of data. So for that I already made simple code at here. Now it is giving some error. So at here you can see image error is coming. So at here you can import image. Now no error is coming. So you can see at here dynamic data is coming. Now we will pass some we want only with start from B only, title which have word B. So at here you can see search for that, and inside get category you just change uh, at the rate and slug equal to b. Now you can see b is in the all category, so only those categories coming which have b in the title. And at here we also have per page equal to 8, so we can also pass any number, and if we do not pass anything then it have 10 in the default. So 10 in the default, as you can see per page 10 is default, and if we want more and per page -1, then we can also pass -1, so it provide all fail to fetch. Okay, not -1, it is my bad. I think -1 is not at here, so you can pass like 30. So mainly categories there, and you can also explore these option parameter is here, and if you want to order by, so at here default is name, and if you want to order by use, then you can use by id, name, slug, term, etc. So I am just using order by id. Order by equal to id, and at here we can also order by ASC or DSC. So at here you can see it is order by id, and you can also pass order by ASC and DSC, so it is depend on you. DESC, sorry. Okay, and you can also pass hide empty true, so that if no one category has data, then it will not shown. In the default it is false. And you can also get like include, exclude at here, like I want only specific IDs, like at here you can see only 5 to 6 7 categories is there, so I use include at there, so we can get we can pass ID at here by a comma separated. And so now we can use this API endpoint in this way. And now explaining this part, this code. So at here I simply use link and slug, etc., and image. So at here one more important part, in the Next.js we explain type, category. So as object, like if you can see, then suppose randomly I did not use source and I use demo randomly, so it give error. like property demo does not exist on type source string or alt string. So it is best practice to use define type etc in the starting. And suppose I did not define at here, so it give not it do not give any error at here. So it is not giving any error etc at here. And also at here if you see I think I already image source category or fill. Okay, because okay, just I'm using it here. So it is giving no image at here directly. So if you use type at here, then it will be good for you. And TypeScript also give like data, like you must use type so that it will be easy for like it will not give this type of error at here. It also provide int etc dynamically. Property image source alt, there is two options available in the image. So by this method you can do dynamic like you can show dynamic category via WooCommerce. And in the upcoming upcoming videos I will also show you how can show featured product, how can do dynamic menus etc and like in the if you see add to cart etc at here, but it is static. So how can do add to cart and checkout or other thing. So if is still not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.